All right, so I'll take you guys through this little deck system. This little deck system is a little gem of a deck, right? So I coated this about 4 or 5 years ago, okay? And it just went through annual cleaning, right? It had a little bit of spot touch up, maybe about 30 minutes of spot touch up this year. But beautiful deck. It's got the Kong armor, lifetime deck armor system on it, right? We're 5 years in and it's still absolutely gorgeous, stunningly beautiful little deck system. Look, so the color here is coffee, which is just a pretty dark color that matches almost any backyard in North America, right? It'll match there, it'll match down there, it'll match down there, it'll match any of these houses. But that's why I love coffee, because I can take it and I can plug and I can play it basically anywhere. But just a beautiful little deck. It's still got our old service plaques on it, right? So that's the very first service plaque that we started putting on decks. It's wet today, but I'll take you guys up. Look at the thick build, right? Kong is rated to take on wind-driven rain, sleet, ice, snow, all that stuff up to hurricane wind speeds. First in class UV deflection, right? Been 5 years. It's wet today, right? So it's not as beautiful as it normally would be, but just a pretty little deck. Pretty little deck system. 4 years in, 5 years in, it's something like, if you live in Northern Kentucky or Cincinnati and you're still doing thin residential deck paints and stains, that you have to completely refinish your deck every year or two, or however often you do it, it's not necessary anymore. We have thick build industrial grade lifetime deck coatings for decks, right? And I can help you get your deck back to beautiful, right? And then we'll stay with you. We'll stay with you with lifetime limited warranty and a lifetime service promise to ensure that you don't ever have to go through the process of completely painting or restaining or refinishing your deck again. Visit kongarmor.com. See ya.